Welcome into the channel, guys. Today we are putting together a recipe for pineapple upside down cream cheese cake. Here you see me putting together the ingredients for my crust. I'm using a mixture of graham crackers and Biscoff cookies. I'm not lining my pan with any butter, allowing the butter that is in the mixture of my crust to be enough to keep it from sticking. Pressing lightly here to get it to hold its shape. I'm scrambling my eggs before adding each one to prevent over mixing. I'm going to go ahead and mix together my cream cheese and my granulated sugar. Trying to get everything mixed in well, but at the same time trying not to over mix. Adding in my sour cream. Scraping down my bowl, and you'll see me scraping down my bowl throughout this video several times because I really want to get my ingredients mixed in well. I'm now going in with my vanilla extract. I have some freshly squeezed lemon juice and some pineapple extract. Alternating between the speeds, again trying to get it mixed in well but not overdoing it. Adding in some sea salt to balance out the sweetness. Scraping my bowl again. And now I'm going in with my scrambled egg. And we're going to go ahead and let it get mixed in just well enough before adding my next egg. And I'll do that until all of my eggs have been added. We're going in again, scraping down our bowl. All right, this is our batter. We are done mixing, and we're now going to go ahead and add it to our prepared pan. My cheesecake cracked a little bit on the top because I took it out immediately after it was done baking, when I should have just cracked my oven just a bit to let the heat slowly leave the oven and not produce such a drastic temperature change. I have my yellow cake here, and if you want to see the recipe for how I did my yellow cake, I will link the video in the description box. I chose not to show that in this video, trying to not make this video so long because I know your time is valuable. So here I have turned my cake out onto my cheesecake, and it's still warm, so I'm not too worried about the crack that was on top. Because my cake is still warm, it's going to cure that crack that was in the middle, so we're not worried about that. This is what it looks like. I chose not to trim my cake at all because I didn't want to waste any of it. to be blunt. I just didn't want to cut it down. So you have the crust and all, and this is how it turned out. Now I cut it after it had cooled down so that you guys could see what it looks like on day one. But then on day two, as you can see, the slices cut so much better because the ingredients had had enough time to fully marry together and produce that perfect slice of cheesecake. I think this recipe came together really well. It tastes simply delicious. That pineapple extract just sent it over the top. And this is what we have, guys. Alright, we are done with this recipe. We are done with this video. I hope you have enjoyed hanging out with me today. And until next time, guys, y'all willing, of course, we will see you on the next one. Shalom.